Hello everybody, my name is Achinta Sharma and today I'll be showing you how you can use the pen function in Scratch. So this is an extension that you basically need to import like this pen, and you have to create some shapes or you can draw some figures with it. So I'll show you how to draw some shapes like this is the square, triangle, hexagon, and this is the rectangle, and this one more shape. So I'll be showing you how to create all the shapes using the pen tool. So first of all, drag your pen, go to this part of the Scratch, click on add instruction, choose the pen, delete this sprite 1, go to choose a sprite, choose this arrow, and you have to make this size as set size to 50%. And then whenever we click the green flag, we want that everything should be erased and nothing should be left out. So if you're drawing continuously, you will require this function. Then when I press the up arrow, when space key pressed, instead of I'm going to make it when up arrow is pressed, then it creates a square. And the square definition is this: go and pen up, drag and drop pen up, then you notice go to 4199, go to 4 and 119. It's going to go here. Then point in direction 90. We want it to point in the direction 90 so that it draws like straight, sort of. Set color, then choose the color of your pen like red. I'm taking it red over here. A bit more bright. Then you'll see pen down, set size to pen 5. So for the pen size, I'll recommend you should put it between 1 to 5 so it looks good. Set pen size to 3. Then go in the controls, repeat 10 times. Instead of repeat 10, I'm going to make it 4. Then you notice move 100 steps, turn 90 degrees. Move 100 steps, turn 90 degree clockwise. So it is going to work like this. Now when we want this arrow to draw a next shape, so we don't want that it should continue the line, so we are going to make it pen up. Simply duplicate this code and make this down arrow, or you can go for the triangle left arrow. Then you'll see I'm just changing the position, minus 170 and minus 137. Point in direction, and in this triangle it is going to be repeat 3, move 150 steps, move 150 steps, turn clockwise 120 degrees. Anti-clockwise. Over here. Delete this, drag and drop this in your code, and 120. And it draws a triangle. But I want the triangle, it should be small. So first of all, I'm going to change the pen color. And the triangle size is going to be big. It's fine. Then let's code for one more shape. And the position for this is minus 159, 1111. Point in direction, we'll be drawing this shape. Set pen color, so I'll set this pen color to something between this. And delete all this. And instead of this I'm going to make it repeat 6, move 50 steps, move 50 steps, turn 60 degrees and repeat it 6 times. It's a hexagon. Yeah. Now let's see if it works or not. Okay, we went 2 up maybe. So I'll just make a position over here. Yeah, like this. 134 and 65. Yeah, I'm done. Perfect. Now I'm going to be drawing one more shape, and our rectangle is also left. First I'll code for the rectangle. Yeah, same. Copy this code, and this is the down arrow, and position should be 0, 0. Color, yeah, this color, fine. And I'm going to be changing it to repeat 2 times. Repeat 2 times, move 150 steps, move 150 steps, then turn 90 degrees. Okay, turn 90 degrees. Then move 100 steps, turn 90 degrees. Duplicate this and make it move 100 steps. Yeah, now it is going to look good. And lastly, we have one shape left. We are going to use the space key now for this command. Make the space key. Yeah. Then you'll see that when space key is pressed, 151, okay, sorry, yeah, 151 and 128. Then repeat 8 times. First type, repeat 8 times, move 50 steps, turn clockwise, direction 45. Move 50 steps, turn clockwise, 45 direction. Yeah, and rest I'm going to delete here and done. Yeah, so that's it for today. Hope you liked the video, and please like and share and subscribe. And in the upcoming videos I'll be teaching you how you can create a robot, train or house or anything. So bye bye.